Diane and Denmark here, rah rah rah, hurry hurry hurry. It is the start of a new week and you know me, I love Mondays. It's just we get the chance to start afresh. We are not looking back to what happened last week, we are looking forward, we are moving forward. And I'm here once again to give you a wee bit of decluttering motivation. Now, as many of you know, I follow the Flylady system for my housekeeping, and I've got my wee cleaning caddy ready to go here this week. We are moving on to a new zone this week, which is zone 5, the number 5, the living room. And I've got my wee list of what I'm going to do for my kind of power hour cleaning today. And also, when we're doing the Flylady system, it's a really good idea to concentrate your decluttering by zone. That way we're not kind of missing anything. We're just moving gently around the zones. We're not having to, focus on decluttering the whole thing all the time. And I'm going to give you a few ideas today of what you might like to declutter in this area. And I'm also going to tell you what I decluttered last week in Flylady Zone 4, which was the master bedroom. But let's start with the current zone. And remember, set a timer just for 5 or 10 minutes. Get up off your bahookie. Just tackle it for 5 or 10 minutes. We don't need to be spending hours and hours decluttering, but we're just kind of making a start on it. And if you're using the Flylady missions to get ready for Christmas and Thanksgiving, I made a video about that yesterday. I'll put a link up there. This week we're really thinking about, before long we're going to be decorating this area. You'll probably want to be decorating, so it's a really good chance to declutter now so that when time comes to decorate, you're not having to, first we've got to declutter and then we've got to clean. It'll be an easy process. Anyway, I've got my Hoover Home binder here, and in here I keep ideas, for my cleaning list. They're on my blog, dianedenmark.com, and I've also got a wee list for myself of ideas what I can declutter. So here are some of them, just to give you a wee bit of inspiration. I've got a pamper basket, where I keep all my stuff for when I'm sitting in my favourite reading chair at night. I'll just spend a few minutes today when I'm watching something on the telly, going through that. Are there any free newspapers or magazines that I can get recycled? Think about that. Have you got things kind of piling up? Because if you've got newspapers, after a few days the news is old. Let's get those out of there. What about books? Perhaps you've got some reference books that are no longer up to date. Maybe you can find the information online. Let's try and get those out of there. What about pot plants? Have you got anything that's dead? I like to just go for very easy pot plants so that they're not kind of dying on me all the time. Books and kids games. We as a family, we like to play things like Rummy Cub or Set, and I've got them over there in the corner beside the books. It's really nice from time to time to go through them. Are you still interested in these games? What about the kids' jigsaw puzzles? Are they too easy for them now? Can they be passed on to somebody else in the family? Just think about what is in this room and what are you using in this room. And also in here I've got that chest of drawers that belong to my dearly departed father-in-law, Danish father-in-law. It's from the Danish side of the family. And in there I've got one drawer full of DVDs. I actually decluttered those last month, go me. And another drawer I've got candles, candlesticks, and then I've got like table linens in the bottom one. So maybe you want to think about your storage in this area. What are you keeping in the living room? Is there anything that now needs to be decluttered, or maybe move to another room in the house? Just, as I always say, kind of stand back and think, okay, what would a stranger think if they came into your house, or a guest? And it's also really good to take photos, because then you're kind of confronted with the reality of it. Anyway, I'm going to tell you what I decluttered last week. Last week I worked in Flylady Zone 4 at the master bedroom, and I came up with a lot of clothes that I'm no longer wearing, and I took them to an indoor flea market here in Copenhagen. It's called Lidkøb, and it's you can rent a stand. You pay the weekly cost for the stand, and they take, I think it's 15% commission on anything that you sell. And I've taken it all there, and I've actually already sold a few items, so that's what I was working on last week. I also came up with a few bits and bobs, and we've gone through the scarves again, found some more scarves that can go. This is a black one that my daughter didn't want. Some things for organising makeup and accessories, those are also going. And some things that came in, I took some things to my bestie Vibeke. The necklace that you maybe saw me decluttering last week, the one that y'all love, the little flower necklace, she has had her eye on that for a while, so I took it to her last week. She was, oh, anyway, she brought me some stuff, and some stuff that her daughters had been decluttering, so I've got a new pair of summer light trousers to wear, so there you go. Let's pass things on, because you never know what's going to come back your way. So anyway, I'm going to get on with a bit of cleaning in here, because I've got the wee cleaning caddy ready to go. Fresh start for the week. And then I'm going to take a look. I think I'm going to go through the table linens there, because there may be something there that we're no longer using. And let me just grab my pom-poms. And if you want to join in the decluttering fun, you can post a picture on Instagram. I'm on Instagram, same name as here, Diane in Denmark, and I've got hashtag Diane in Denmark. You can post your pictures, and we can, I can give you a pom-pom salute, and it's just a really nice way that we can kind of see what each other is decluttering, and know that, you're not alone in this. We're all in this together. We've all got stuff to declutter, circumstances change, your taste changes. The kids grew up, they move into their own flats, so just keep decluttering out there. On that note, live long and prosper, may the decluttering hood be with you, and I shall see you very soon. Okay, bye for now with a rah, rah, rah.